Not every property is located near world-famous Casa Vega, but 4144 Fulton is moments away from both of these fabulous destinations. Let's come take a look. Stunning South of Blvd Storybook home in prime Sherman Oaks. Adjacent to Longridge Estates and nestled in one of Sherman Oaks' most sought-after neighborhoods, this exceptional 2004 custom-built residence spans over 4,100 square feet. This expansive 5-bedroom, 5-bath home is the opposite of cookie cutter, with meticulous charm and attention to detail. The heart of the home lies in the grand great room, which seamlessly connects to the fully equipped gourmet kitchen, a true chef's delight. Designed for effortless entertaining, this space is ideal for hosting guests or enjoying a quiet evening in. French doors lead out to the covered patio where you can dine al fresco and immerse in the outdoor California lifestyle year-round. Boasting soaring 10-foot ceilings on the second floor, the expansive layout is highlighted by a luxurious master suite that serves as a private sanctuary. Upstairs, the landing is the perfect place for a media room, office, or playroom, offering endless possibilities. With its seamless functional living, this home offers a lifestyle of comfort, privacy, and elegance. This location benefits from the Longridge Estates neighborhood patrol. Come experience this one-of-a-kind gem located within the coveted Dixie Canyon School District, near Sportsman's Lodge and all the trendy eateries along Ventura Boulevard.